Hello, warm welcome to our Law Logical YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all legal queries. Today, we're focusing on an essential yet often overlooked aspect of divorce proceedings under Indian family law, the paperwork. This includes the various forms and documents that are integral to the process. We'll be taking a closer look at what these papers are, why they're crucial, and how you can navigate this often complicated terrain. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details to better understand the essential paperwork required for a divorce. Understanding the paperwork for divorce is not only essential but also empowering. Imagine walking into a battlefield without a plan or a map. That's what it's like to enter a divorce without comprehending the paperwork involved. It's the map that guides you through the maze of legalities. It's the plan that helps you navigate the rough terrain of rights, obligations, and interests. The paperwork in a divorce procedure is not just a stack of forms to fill out. It's a tool that provides you with crucial information, enabling you to make informed decisions, protect your rights, and safeguard your interests. It gives you the power to negotiate better, to understand the implications of each clause, and to foresee the consequences of each decision. It's an armor that shields you from unpleasant surprises and a weapon that empowers you to fight your battles effectively. Now that we understand the importance, let's move on to the types of essential paperwork. Indian family law requires several important documents for a divorce, and in this episode, we will shine a light on them. To initiate a divorce, the first and foremost document you need is the divorce petition. This is essentially a formal request to the court asking to end the marriage. It outlines the grounds for divorce, whether it's mutual consent, cruelty, desertion, or any of the other reasons recognized under Indian law. The petition must be precise, detailing the facts and reasons for seeking a divorce. Next, we have the financial affidavit. This document provides a snapshot of your financial situation and is a comprehensive list of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's essentially a declaration of your financial status to the court. It's important to be thorough and honest when filling out this document, as it plays a significant role in determining alimony and maintenance. If you have children, a custody affidavit is required. This document outlines your proposal for child custody and visitation. It's crucial to remember that while drafting this document, the child's best interests must be at the forefront. It should detail who will have physical and legal custody, visitation schedules, and how decisions about the child's welfare will be made. Lastly, property documents are also a key component of divorce paperwork. These include any deeds, leases, or titles that show ownership of property. This could be anything from the marital home to cars, investments, and even family heirlooms. These documents are critical as they help in the fair division of assets. In addition to these, there might be other documents pertinent to your case, like proof of marital misconduct or prenuptial agreements. It's always recommended to consult with a legal professional to ensure you have all the necessary paperwork. Remember, divorce is often a complex and stressful process. However, by understanding the paperwork involved, you can navigate this process with more confidence and clarity. With these documents at hand, the process becomes a bit more manageable. And that's what we aim to achieve here at Law Logical, making legal processes easier to understand. Filing the paperwork can be quite a daunting task, but worry not, we're here to help. The process of filing your divorce paperwork is a critical step in your journey. It involves a few key stages, and understanding them will help you navigate this process with ease. First, you need to identify where to file your papers. This is typically the family court in the jurisdiction where either you or your spouse currently reside. In India, there are family courts in all major cities and towns, so you should be able to find one near you. Once you've identified the right court, the next step is to prepare your paperwork. This includes the divorce petition, which outlines the reasons for your divorce, and any supporting documents, such as proof of marriage and financial statements. If you have children, you'll also need to include details about their custody and support. It's important to be thorough, accurate, and honest in your documentation. After you've prepared your paperwork, you'll need to file it with the court. This involves submitting your documents to the court clerk, who will stamp them and give you a case number. There might be a filing fee, depending on the court. Once your paperwork is filed, the court will serve your spouse with a copy of the divorce petition. This is to ensure that they are aware of the proceedings and have an opportunity to respond. The serving process can vary depending on the court and the circumstances, but it's typically done by a process server or a local law enforcement officer. Once your spouse has been served, the court will set a date for a hearing. This is where both parties and their lawyers present their cases and the judge makes a decision. The journey of filing your divorce paperwork might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, it's a process. It's normal to have questions and to feel a bit uncertain, but with the right information and support, you can navigate this path. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your new beginning. Let's recap what we have discussed today. Navigating the complex world of divorce proceedings can be challenging, especially when it comes to paperwork. The importance of understanding and correctly filing all necessary documentation cannot be overstated. It is the backbone of any legal procedure, including divorce under Indian family law. We delved into the various types of essential paperwork, from the initial divorce petition to financial affidavits, child custody agreements, and more. Each document serves a unique purpose and plays a crucial role in the proceedings. The divorce petition, for instance, sets the ball rolling by laying out the grounds for divorce, while financial affidavits provide a detailed overview of the parties' financial situation, which can influence decisions on alimony and property division. We also explored the process of filing these documents. Remember, the order of filing is not arbitrary but follows a particular sequence. The divorce petition is always the first to be filed, followed by other documents as the case progresses. It's essential to adhere to the given timelines and procedures to ensure that the process goes smoothly. In conclusion, being well versed with the paperwork involved in a divorce and understanding how to correctly file them can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. It's not just about filling out forms, it's about empowering yourself with knowledge and taking control of your situation. Thank you for joining us today on Law Logical. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more legal insight. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.